Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this ExcelTek RC07 4-button keychain garage door opener. To do so, you're going to need an A27 replacement battery. I picked this one up on Amazon. Links to the garage door opener and the battery will be in the description below. The first thing you want to do, flip over the garage door opener, and there's going to be 3 Phillips head screws that you'll need to remove. These are tiny and they're kind of finicky and easy to strip, so you want to be careful as you're backing them out. Alright, then the garage door simply pops apart. It's a couple of different pieces. And keep an eye on it, sometimes your screws also fall out as well. Now to change the battery, the positive side will be up inside this little circuit board here. Try this guy out. Put my replacement battery in. Positive side up. Alright, now to put this back together, you're going to want to put the little button patch on top. You're going to want to put the garage door opener keychain little attachment piece on, and you're going to want to slide the cover on top so the posts all line up over each other. There's going to be 3 of them once again. And then it's kind of easier to start screwing in just a little bit at a time. Once all back together, you can test it out by pushing the button. And if you light up green, you're good to go. If this was helpful, please leave a comment below and a thumbs up.